Assalamu alaikum students. Last time we have completed question number 5 of practice at 5.2. Now we will start question number 6. Question number 6 is find the coordinate of midpoint. So here midpoint is already given. So we will use here midpoint formula of the segment joining the points 22, 20 and 0, 16. Here only the coordinate is given to us. The name of the point is not given. So if we want, we can take any name, that is as point A and point B. And we have to find the coordinate of the midpoint. So midpoint also we can take as P. So by taking the name of the point in this way, it is very simple question. Only we have to apply the midpoint formula. So I'll show you how to solve this question. So here we have taken, as I have explained you, that we have to take the name of the point. So we have let point A, that is 22, 20 is the first point. So we have taken it x1, y1, and the name of the second point we have taken B. The coordinate is given 0, 16. So the second point is x2, y2. And the name of the midpoint we are taking here point P. So let point P be the midpoint of segment AB, and the coordinate of point P we have taken xy. So here we have to use the midpoint formula. Then we will write by the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula we know that the x coordinate is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So now we will take P, that is xy. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma a y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now we'll substitute the value. So see here, the value of x1 is 22 and the value of x2 is 0. So now we can take here 22 plus 0 and then upon 2. Now the value of y1 is 20 and the value of y2 is 16. So here we will take 20 plus 16 upon 2. Now 22 plus 0 will be 22 and it will be divided by 2. 20 plus 16 will be 36 and again it will divide by 2. So 22 upon 2 and 36 upon 2. Now we can cancel this by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Again these also we can cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 1 will remain, it become 16. So 2 8s are 16. So we have got here 11, 18. So the value of P, that is xy, is 11, 18. So the coordinate of midpoint, that is point P, that is midpoint of segment AB, is 11, 18. So we have completed our question number 6. Now we will start question number 7. Find the centroid. Here we have to find centroid. So obviously we will use the centroid formula of the triangle whose vertices are given below. So 3 sub questions are there and each of the question is having the 3 point. That means these 3 are nothing but the vertices of a triangle. So all the 3 will be solved by the same method. So I will show you the solution of the first one. Similarly you can do second and third with your own. So I will show you how to solve the question number 1 of question number 7. So these 3 coordinates are given to us. The name of the points are not given. So we can take any name of the point which will make the triangle. So we can take the name A, B and C. So we have taken, let these 3 point. So we can take here point A, point B or point C, or without taking the name also we can do. So first point we have taken x1, y1. Second point we have taken x2, y2. And the third point we have taken x3, y3. We have to find the coordinate of centroid, and as I have explained you, the centroid of a triangle is denoted by G. So we have let the coordinate for point G is xy, which is the centroid of a triangle. So now for finding the coordinate of point G, that is centroid of a triangle, we will use the centroid formula. Now here we are going to use the centroid formula. Now I have copied here all the 3 questions again, so it will easy to take the values. So centroid formula is very easy, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, and the y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So here we will take formula. See, this is the formula of centroid. So we have taken gxy is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now we'll substitute the value in this formula. So see here, the value of x1, is minus 7. So in the place of x1 I have taken minus 7. Then this plus sign. Value of x2 is given as 2. So we have taken here 2. Then this plus sign. Then x3. So the value of x3 is 8. So we have taken here 8 and divided by 3. Again here value of y1 is here 6. So we have taken 6, then plus sign. Value of y2 is minus 2. So we have taken this minus 2 in bracket. Then plus sign. Then value of y3 is 5. So we have taken here 5 and then divided by 3. Now we have to simplify here. So what we can do? We will just solve this first two number. So this minus 7 and plus 2. Plus minus minus. 7 minus 2 will be 5 and the greater number sign is minus. So it will be minus 5 plus 8 upon 3. Now this 6 we will take like that only. This plus minus minus. So it will be minus 2, then plus 5 we will take like that. See here. So it is minus 5 plus 8 upon 3. 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. Here plus minus minus. 8 minus 5 will be 3. And greater number sign plus. Here we will do 6 minus 2, 4. And then plus 5. So 4 plus 5. Now here 4 plus 5 will be 9. So it will be 9 upon 3 and this is 3 upon 3. So we have taken here 3 upon 3 and 9 upon 3. Now we can cancel also this by 3. So it is 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now here 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So we have got here 1, 3. So here the value of g, that is xy, is 1, 3. So we can write at last the coordinate of the centroid is 1, 3. So coordinate of centroid of a triangle is 1, 3. So we have completed here question number 7, first sub question. Similarly you can do the other two sub questions. Now we will start question number 8. In triangle ABC, G minus 4 minus 7 is a centroid. Here the coordinate of centroid is already given us. If A is minus 14 minus 19, B is 3, 5, and then find the coordinate of C. That means here already centroid value is given. First point is nothing but x1, y1. Second point is nothing but x2, y2. These two values are given to us and we have to find the value of coordinate of C. That is x3, y3 we want to find. So I'll show you how to solve this question. See here, point G minus 4 is the centroid of triangle ABC. Then point A is minus 14 minus 19, that is x1, y1. Point B is 3, 5, that is x2, y2. And point C, that is x3, y3 we want to find. So we have let the coordinate point C is x3, y3. And G is given as minus 4 minus 7, which we are taking as xy. So again here the centroid is given. So obviously we will use the formula of centroid. So by the centroid formula, here we will take x coordinate. You can take simultaneously also in bracket, but I am taking here separately, so it will be easy to solve. So x coordinate is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, comma y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. The value of x is nothing but minus 4. So we can substitute here minus 4. See here how we have substituted the value. The value of x1 is minus 14. So we have taken here minus 14. Then plus sign. Value of x2 is 3. So we have taken here 3. But we don't know the value of x3. So we will substitute like that only. And then upon 3. Similarly here y. So the value of y is here minus 7. So we have taken here minus 7. Value of y1 is minus 19. So we have taken here minus 19. Value of y2 is here 5. See here y2 is 5. So we have taken here 5. Again the value of y3 we don't know, so we'll substitute like that only and then divide by 3. Now this 3 is in division, so we will take here, so that will come in multiplication. Similarly here also this 3 is in division, we will take here, so it will become in multiplication. And this plus minus minus, so 14 minus 3 will be 11 and the sign of greater number will be minus. Again here plus minus minus, 19 minus 5 will be 14 and the sign will be minus. So see here, in this way we have done the simplification. So minus 4 into 3 and it is minus 11 plus x3. Then minus 7 into 3 minus 14 plus y3. Now 4 3s are 12, so it will be minus 12, and if we will take this minus sign here, minus 11 here, so it will be plus 11, so we have taken in this way. Then same way 7 3s are 21, so minus 21, minus 14 is here, we will take on other side, so it will become plus 14 equal to y3. Then plus minus minus, 12 minus 11, 1 and the sign will be minus. Again plus minus minus, 21 minus 14, 7 and sign will be minus. So here x3 is minus 1 and the y3 is 7. So the value of x3, y3 is nothing but minus 1, minus 7. So the coordinate of point C is x3, y3 and this value is nothing but minus 1, minus 7. So we have completed here question number 8. Now we'll start question number 9. Point A is h minus 6, B is 2, 3, C is minus 6k are the coordinates of vertices of a triangle whose centroid is G, that is 1, 5. We have to find h and k. So already the coordinate of centroid is given to us. First point is x1, y1. So here x1, y1. The second point will be x2, y2. Third point will be x3, y3. So we have to find the value of x1 as well as we have to find the value of y3. So same way as we have solved this question number 8, we will solve question number 9. So I'll show you how to solve this question. So here I have taken all the three values a, b and c, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and the centroid is G, which is 1, 5. So we have let is x, y. So we will use here centroid formula and both the coordinate, that is x and y coordinate, separately we will take and we will find the unknown, that is h and k. So by the centroid formula, first of all we will take the x coordinate is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 and the y coordinate is y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. Now we'll substitute the value of it. So see here, x1 is nothing but h, so we have substituted h. Then plus sign, x2 is 2, so we have taken here 2. Then plus sign, x3 is minus 6, so for separating the sign we are taking here minus 6 in bracket, then upon 3, and the value of this x is 1, so we have taken here 1. Then the value of y is 5, so we are taking here 5. y1, see here y1 value is minus 6, so we will take here minus 6, then middle plus sign. y2, value of y2 is 3, so we have taken here 3, then plus value of y3 is k, so we have substituted here k, and then upon 3. Again this 3 is in division, we will take on other side, so it will become multiply. Then this plus minus will be minus, so it will be minus 6. Now this 3 we will take here, so it will be in multiplication. Then plus minus minus, 6 minus 3 will be 3 and the greater number sign will be minus. So see here, this way we have done. So this 3 will come here h as it is, plus 2 plus minus minus and then 6. Then 5 into 3, then plus minus minus, 6 minus 3 will be 3, greater number sign. Now these 3 ones are 3. Again this plus minus minus, 6 minus 2, 4, greater number sign minus 4. Now 5 3s are 15 and this minus 3 plus k will be as it is. So see, this is the simplification. Now this minus 4 we will take on other side, so it will become plus 4. This minus 3 we will take on other side, so it will become plus 3. So this 3 plus 4 and this is 15 plus 3. 3 plus 4 will be 7. 15 plus 3 will be 18. So we have got the value of h is 7 and the value of k is 18. So at last we will write the both the values. So h is equal to 7 and k is equal to 18. So it is very easy. So we have completed our question number 9.